what's that thing? A Delta 68? Oh my good God. More. Do I have any what?
10 rounder.
Oh. Alright, we got a chrono it. Where's the chrono?
I got one here.
Okay, no, I got one too. We're gonna dueling chronos. We'll both chrono it. It's twice as accurate when you got two of them. That's what they say, right?
Hang on. Is there a BPS mode or? Oh no, you have to press.
You just gotta hold it.
You basically gotta wait for it to shoot like more.
Alright, I'm chronoing the left side, you chrono the right side, then we'll compare notes, alright?
We'll get
about an inch
camera.
behind the barrel? Oh yeah, right there?
There we go.
Okay.
Got it.
Alright, first one is 259, what's yours?
262.
Okay. 258?
262. 254?
251.
248?
243. Something fell off the gun.
Don't worry about it.
255?
258? 259?
256? 253?
259?
Ah,
262?
259.
250?
247.
So we're like plus or minus 3 or 5.
Well, the good news is, like, when it went up, yours went up. When it went down, mine went down. So, you
but
know.
we were out by about anywhere between 3 and 5 at any given time, which isn't too bad.
No. Respectable.
That's gonna
but not exact. I was so disappointed we didn't have one that matched up.
What we needed was like the X-Radar, the handheld, and like a Virtue clock 1 through 3, and just get them all on tripods.
Yeah, I was gonna say that we need to do that. Yeah. Spyder original. It's not a Spyder this or a Spyder that. It's the Spyder. Oh, and the safety's on. Very safe of us. Oh, hopper's not on. Still need the hopper on though. TJ, chrono. We must know. Toss it, I'll catch it. All right, what are we sitting at? Can you see the chrono?
I can see it, let's go. Shooting a bit hot.
It would be. It's just how you gotta roll sometimes. Oh, hopper's going forward. That's okay. All right, fast moving, or fast moving, yes, we'll stick with that. All right, well, we gotta shoot hot because we gotta knock the bark off the tree somehow. A little hot, just over 300. All right, I just aired up my reflex for the first time. Didn't even cock it because that's how I roll, I guess. We're gonna shoot it, see how it does. All right, first you need to put air in it.
It helps.
Okay, it hasn't even been aired up.
Is your loader on?
It is, it's making the buzz. There we go, all right. All right, it doesn't leak, that's a good sign. Can you see the chromograph?
Got it, let's go. 296, 289, 297, oh!
There's 1, 305, 299, 295, 388, 301, 301 again, 300. Eh,
Out of the box.
Pretty much as it should, yeah, right out of the box, never been shot. All right, here we go. Oh, good.
A leak.
No, that was the tank, not the gun. Probably need a new O-ring on the tank though. Hey, not bad, worth the wait.
We go left-handed. Wow.
Yeah, you're just gonna have to deal with that.
I don't know how I didn't notice that before.
That's fun. Is watching the little wire detent move out with every shot.
I didn't see that. Hang on, let's. Oh my god, it totally does.
Slightly out shooting the TSS. Anyways, I'll have to see how that compares to the Freeflow Dye Reflex. Just gonna rip on it now. This is still the best cocker ever. Sorry guys, it just can't be helped. Cockers were perfected in 2004, I guess.
What? 2006?
No, 04. God, this thing's quick.
Yeah, you're ripping that. It's a little scary how fast that can get. Is this a semi or is this
It's NXL.
I'm going to call Australia and see if we can make one of these.
Yeah, it's the actual semi.
Yeah, because that was the ER2 was pumped, right?
Yep. This is twice the gun. It's the ER4.
Twice
Yeah.
the velocity.
Well, maybe, at least initially. Oops, I'm touching mode on the camera.
Oh, I've been playing my ball.
It's like a first-person shooter, yo.
God damn. Let's go.
Oh yeah. Very usable, as you can see. It's still making noise, it's just not really shooting. There's one ball in here. Go in the hole.
Find your home.
You wouldn't think. It would just find the hole by random at this point. Oh, there it goes. It took that long. Wow. So you can see the action though. All right, that's enough of that.